Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Marina Khalid, your Islamiyat teacher, grade 4. Hope you all are fine. Today we will continue from unit number 3, Pillars of Islam. Our topic of discussion is namaz. The learning objectives of this lesson are that you will be able to tell what namaz teaches us and also define qaza namaz. What namaz teaches us? Dear students, namaz teaches us obedience to Allah and keep us clean in mind and body. Allah loves those who pray to Him and ask Him for guidance. Dear student, namaz teaches us punctuality. Offering each namaz at its time teaches us to value time. Qaza namaz. What is qaza namaz? Actually, qaza namaz is discouraged. This is namaz offered quite late from its due time. A person may miss his namaz due to traveling, so it is better to offer qaza namaz rather than miss it. Dear student, you people didn't make it habitual. Your home assignment is that you have to write the definition of qaza namaz and also tell what namaz teaches us. Here is my email ID marina335@gmail.com. If you have any query, you may ask me on this email ID. Allah Hafiz and have a nice day.